Let me show you how to set up and use your mini turbo fan. Also, if you are looking to get this fan, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use to get it for absolutely insane price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and only paid around $10 with free shipping for this thing, which is absolutely insane. So let's check out everything first, what we get inside the box. When we get this fan, so we get a bunch of paperwork here, then also our fan, and actually fairly decent packaging over here. So first let's remove this shipping protector over here, and also we get two attachments, and these are actually magnetic attachments, so that can be used to basically transform the flow. So if you want more pressure you can use these essentially. And also you get your Type-C charging cable here. So before you actually start to use this fan, I highly suggest you to actually charge up fully. So you can either charge from wall or literally even a power bank as well. So the charge port, so we have the Type-C on the back of it, so plugged in, and simply plugged in, in any wall outlet or like PC or whatever, and simply wait for the light essentially to go off, and that means it's charged. So you see, when it comes to power draw, it charges around 8 to 9 watts essentially. So again, the first time you get it, obviously make sure it's fully charged, otherwise it won't be able to actually give the most power it can actually. And next, if you want to turn it on, so there are two main ways. First, if you simply press and hold, it will actually engage the highest possible mode. So simply press and hold, it takes maybe like 2 seconds to kick in. So you see, and we have the highest possible mode here. It's incredibly strong essentially. And also, if you click several times on the button, it will engage this mode where you actually do not have to keep holding the button. So again, in the turbo mode you have to actually keep holding the button. Once you release, it stops. So you see, if I click it 3 times, I have like 3 different modes here, for example. So for example, low mode, higher, and the turbo. And if you want to turn it off, simply hold it for maybe like a second until shut off essentially. And then also obviously we can use these attachments as well, so these are fully magnetic. Also, once you pop them up, so you see there actually is tiny gap, so you actually have to kind of figure out where basically these tiny like dots actually go inside. So you see also like a matching place basically. So you see, pop it on, turn it around till it slides. So again, it's fully magnetic, and again it's very secure, so you can even shake it so it won't fall off essentially. And again with the second one as well. Okay, so simply figure it out how it snaps on. Okay, and this is actually very useful if you need to blow out basically maybe some PC parts where you need the highest possible power essentially. And if you want to check the specs, here we have all the specs. So in the most powerful mode, this can last maybe for like 7 minutes till we actually start to lose a bit of power essentially. So for the size and price of this, I think the runtime also is very decent. Obviously, if you use it on the low mode essentially, so if you do not need as much power, it can last, you see, almost 4 hours basically on a single charge. So you see, motor power is 75 watts, so to get this kind of power from this unit, that's absolutely insane. And next, let me show you so basically how powerful this unit actually is. Also, I find this tool absolutely excellent if you want to get rid of water on your car after washing it, for example, or also simply like blow out junk from your interior as well. So for example, if you want to remove basically water, you see how absolutely awesome the thing is. Again, for example, from your window as well, or the roof. So you see, it blows pretty much everything away here, and you can direct and get rid of it And again, the best usage for this tool, I think, is removing simply water from hard to reach place that often have problem drying and leave basically spot on your car. For example, you can remove everything here. So let's see, it blows away pretty much everything here. Again, from all these areas. Yeah, for this stuff, it's absolutely awesome, I think. Also, I would say it's absolutely excellent if you simply need to blow out your car and remove basically some particles that you maybe have dropped or stuff like that. So you see, turn it on, and basically everything flies away essentially. Again. So you see just how powerful the thing is. And as you see, everything is completely clean here. And also, for example, these cup holders again. So I have some coins there. It can even blow away coins essentially. Yeah, absolutely awesome. And if you're wondering if you can perhaps maybe even use this mini blower as a leaf blower or maybe to clean up your patio, well, yep, I actually have some great news for you as well. So yep, basically if you actually do not have large area, this can actually be used for that. So for example, let's see, I have a bunch of stuff basically over here, bunch of leaves. So let's turn it on, and as you see, it blows away everything absolutely perfect. So you see, yeah. So really, no bother at all. And again, if you need something to blow away stuff from your patio, so again, this can obviously do that. So you see, all the particles, all the leaves like. So yeah, definitely it's capable for that. Obviously, if you have crazy amount of leaves and you need to cover large area, still you can maybe do it, but again, obviously it will take quite a long time and you probably need bigger unit. So you see, yeah, it can blow away everything. For example, here I can clean basically my patio here actually fairly well with this tool. Also, I would say when it comes to limitations, I would say make sure your leaves aren't actually wet. So if it has been raining recently, wait for them to dry. Otherwise, again, it's simply not powerful enough for that. But again, for dry leaves, this can actually do that. So you see, for example, it will blow away everything here. So you see, yeah, actually pretty cool indeed. And yeah, overall, when it comes to power from the things that we can get for this price, I think it's absolutely insane. So definitely the motor actually is quite powerful on this unit. Also, obviously, we have these magnetic attachments, so you can actually forward the stream of air basically even more concentrated if you need. By the way, if you're looking to get this blower, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use to get it for the cheapest price possible. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress and actually paid only around $10, and that also was with free shipping. For this price, I think it's absolutely insane. Also, in the description I'll also maybe managed to get some extra coupons, so basically check out those coupons combined with this price. Maybe you can even like bring it down even further. So yeah, for this price, totally unbeatable. Okay, good luck.